Hi, my name is Imad Malik from Catalyst ERP. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Visual Production Planner. This app allows you to control when your work orders are produced using a calendar view, allowing you to have greater control over production schedules. The Visual Production Planner is split into two sections. On the left hand side we have the items being produced with the quantities that are being produced against each one, and on the right hand side against the timeline view we have the work orders. Visualization and colors are used to represent the different statuses of these items and work orders. We're currently looking at the monthly timeline view. However, we have access to other views such as the monthly grid, the monthly week and week timeline views. We finally have access to the yearly view, and as this is a calendar that is being used, we can also change the date range that we're looking at. This gives us the flexibility we need to provide production planning for the various work orders. We have an option to filter the information that is shown to us by subsidiary, location, status of the work orders, sales channels, and any notes that have been defined against the work orders themselves. Looking at the items being produced, we can delve into them a bit deeper and look at the individual components that are required. We can see the quantities that are requested along with committed and any on order quantities. Again, like before, visualization and colors are used to represent the status of the components and if any are missing or if all the stock is available. We can also click onto the work orders themselves to see more information about those work orders, such as the item being produced, the location, the same components table, the quantities being built or requested, and how much are buildable. We also have visibility on the status and any notes, the ability to open the work orders themselves, and to submit any changes. Looking at a different work order, we get the same information available. However, because this is a planned work order, we have the ability to release it from this pop-up screen and, like before, add any notes. On the visual planner, we also have the ability to drag and drop different work orders around by simply clicking and dragging, or we have the option to also resize these individual work orders themselves. We can also move the work orders to different weeks or different dates completely, and also change the information as required. One key thing to note is no changes are saved until you click the Save Changes button. All changes are local. On clicking the Save Changes button, you'll see a list of the individual changes that you've requested for each work order, item, start date, and end date. You'll have the ability to untick and tick which updates you would like to make using the update column. Once you're happy, click the Save Changes and the system will generate the changes required. Once all changes have been saved, the system will refresh the screen and you'll see the information available to you based on the updates that have been requested. As work orders are built and completed, the status of this can be seen on the visual planner. Work order 308 has been partially completed, 300 were originally requested, 150 has been built. The system not only shows this information on the planner, but also shows this information with a color representing the status and completion status of the individual work orders. The production planner also supports back-to-back purchase orders. These are purchase orders generated off the back of the individual work orders. Against each purchase order, we can see the component, the status, the quantity requested, and how much has been received. Like before, as the work order and the purchase order get updated and received or built, the bar is filled in to represent the color and the completion percentage. That concludes the demonstration of the Visual Production Planner. If you have any questions or would like to discuss this further, please reach out. Our contact details are in the video description below. Thank you for your time.